Assalamu alaikum. My name is Najia. I read in class 7 English version. Welcome to Najia Computer and Applied Knowledge. So friends, today we are going to learn mathematics. The mathematics is in class 7. The form is, the chapter is chapter 1 and square root. So the topic name is square root. You will find it in exercise 1.1. So in my previous video I have discussed about square root and square. What is square and square root? So let's again revise this square and square root. Okay, so there is a symbol of square root that is like this. Okay, you can see that. So let's talk about a number that is a number like 3. So if I say you that what is the square of 3, then you will put a square mark here. So that means what? The power is 2. So that means that 3 will be multiplied 2 times. By itself, not by 2. 3 into 2, not by this. It will multiply by itself. That is 3 into 3. So the result is 9. Okay. So we understood that what is square. So this is the square. You can see a 2 over here. So this actually is called the square. Then after that, if I say the square root, we have found the square, what is square and what is the square root. So here the result is 9. So I have already discussed that this symbol is known as what? Square root symbol. So if I put this here, that means what? That means the root will be, if I ask you that what is the root of 9, square root of 9, then the answer will be 3. Because you can see 3 into 3 equal to 9. So the root of 9 will be 3. Okay. So we have understood again the square and square root. After that, the term comes finding the square root. So there are two methods basically, that is in the book they have that finding square root by prime factorization. So we already know what is prime factorization and square root. So we will find it. Okay, let's talk about the 9. Again the 3, 9. So we know that the 3 into 3, 3 3s are 3, 3 3s are 9. We know that, but if we find it in prime factorization method, then 9. Okay, so we know 3 3s are 9. So here you can see two numbers and these two are same, you can see. So they have pairs, we can say that pairs, they have pairs, and the result is 9. So we will take 1, that is 3. So again that the square root of 9 is 3, as simple as that. Okay, so let's go to another number. Let's talk about 16. Okay, 16 is also easy in our book, that is class 7's book. Let's talk about 196. 196. So what is the square root of 196? We have to find it. Okay, 196 in prime factorization method. Okay, so 196. First, what is the factors of 196 and what is the lowest factors of 196. We know that as the last one is 6, that means it is even number, so this whole number 196 can be divided by 2. So let's do it in our graph. So 196. So we know 9 2s are 18. 18, okay. Then 1, then 6. We again know that 8 2s are 16. So what is the result? 98. So here we will write 2, then 98. Okay. Again the 98 is divided by 2 because here is 8 and 8 is an even number like the previous format. So again divide it with 98. So let's look the question of 98 by 2. Okay, 298. Okay, so what is the answer? 4. 4 2s are 8. We know that. So the remainder is, or the difference is 1. Then here comes 8. Now 2 8, that means 9. 9 2s are 18. Okay, what is the result? 49. Okay, so as the last number is in odd, that means we can't divide it with 2. So we can easily look at, that is, it is 49. So we know that 49 is divided by 7 because 7 7s are 49. So the square root of 49. Yeah, if I ask you what is the square root of 49, you can say 7 because 7 7s are 49. Like this, we have 7 7. Okay, so look at this very carefully because we have to divide it properly and these numbers will help us to find our square root. Okay, you can see what, let me erase it. Okay, you can see, you can write it in the after this line. So 2 into 2, then 7 into 7. Okay, you can see 2 2, these two are same, these two are same. That means we can say that this one and this one have pairs. So 2 is one pair and another. 2 2s are 4, 7 7s are 49. Okay, so we will take only 2 and 7 into 7. So what is the result? 7 2s are 14. Isn't it the result? So let's find 14 into 14. We will now judge it that 14 is the correct answer or not. Okay, so 14 into 14. Do you understand why I have multiplied 14 into 14 for judging? Because if the answer is 14, so the square root of 196 is what? We are saying that it is 14, but how? If this number is multiplied adding by this, what is the result? If 196 is the result, then all the math is correct. Okay, 4 4s are 16, 16 1, remain 1, then 5, 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 1 equal to 5, then 0, then 4 1s are 4 and 1 1s are 1. Okay, what is the result? 6, 5 and 4, 9, 1. 196. Can you see it? 196. Okay. So what have I done? 14 into 14. What is the result? 196. Look. 196, 196. It has matched, right? So the answer is correct. So 14 is the answer. So if I say, please find out what is the result of square root of 196 in prime factorization method, because there is two methods in the book. So we have learned already the method of factorization. And here, look about 98. Let's see about 98. 98. Okay, again. So we will find what? Square root of 98. Okay. So let's find the prime factorization method. So 98, we know that it divides by 2, and in the previous math we have already found out the result of 90. What is the number that is multiplied by 2? The result will be 98. That means 98 divided by 2. So the answer was 49, right? Okay, we have right 49. After that 49, 7, 7. Just I have removed the number 196. From that we are now finding the square root of 98, because there will be a twist. Okay, so you can see what? 2 into 7 into 7, isn't it? And look at that. The 7 has pair, but the 2 has no pair. Then what will the 2 do? That means we can say that 98 is not a perfect square root or perfect square number, because we can't find any number, any square root of 98, so it is not a perfect square number. Okay, if in prime factorization process, if any number has no pairs, then we can say that this number is not a perfect square number. Okay. After that, so this is the process of prime factorization. You can use it in every term, with every number. Then after that, in the book we can see there is a process which is division method. So the division method is finding a square root of any number by division method. So now we are going to use division method. Okay, so we can first come with a very small one and very easy one. Okay, let's talk about what? Let's talk about 49. Okay, so look at this, that one and that one. No, these lines will become after. Okay, now 49. We know 7 is a 49. Is not a difficult thing. So 7 is a 49. Here 0. You can see the name is division method, but not like the division method. Look, 49. As it is for finding square root, so you have to find, not divide. You have to find the square root of 7, 8, like you have to search. Okay, so let's come with here in the book they have one, but it has remainder. I will come with that after. Okay, there is a small one here. So the small one is 3 1 6 8 4. Okay, why have I give this much space between some pairs? Because look, this is one pair, this is one pair, and here with 3 there is no pair. That means 3 is alone, and these two have pairs. And if we, like in division process, let's see an example, that is 3 by 48. Okay, 48, right? So 48, 3 ones are 3, 1. Now I'm putting the 8 here, but 8 has no pair. It is in division method, it is a normal division, but in finding square root you have to always divide it or do the math with coming up a pair. Okay, so our 3 is alone. Now what is the minimum square root of like 3? We know that 3 has no square root because 3 is there is nothing. But yeah, 1 into 1 equal to 1. We know 1 ones are 1. So this one can help us by doing this, because 3, 2, these numbers has no square root or no square. So we can see, we can write 1 here, 1, because 1 ones are 1. Then there will be another line. Okay, so 3, if what is the the same thing is in division, and here is the subtraction process. We have to subtract it from 2. We have to subtract 1, that is 2, and they have 1 here, so we have to double the 1. So what is, if we double it, then it will be 2. So after that it is, look, 2 here, 2 here. We have to put some numbers here. That's why we have give some space. So there will be a number, there will be a number. Then that means that 2 is very small for that number. That's why we are putting the 16 here. Look, 16 totally in pair, not single one. So 16. Now 2, 1, 6. This is the number. Now look, here is a difficult one, that 2. After 2, what will we put? That is the matter. So what will we put? Like if I put here 2, then I have to multiply this 22 with 2. Then if I put not 2, I will put 5. Okay, 5. Then I have to again put here 5. I have to multiply it. What number? Here will be that here, like if here we put 5, then we have to multiply 25 by 5. Okay, let's try it. Whether 216 is matchable or not. Okay, 5 5s are 25. We know. So 5 remain 2. Then 5 2s are 10. Then 1 to 5. Look, 1 to 5. Not up to the mark, because 2 1 6 2 16 and it is 125. So we can go a more. So we can put here 6, again 6. So multiply it. 6 6 or 36. So here we will 6 and 3. So 6 to the 12 and 12 plus 3 equal to 15. Again we can go because 1 56 and 2 16. Okay. Then after that 7 7. Okay. 7 7 is 49. 9 4. 7 2 is 14. 14 plus 4 equal to 18. 189. Are very close, but we will do with 8. Let's see what happened. So what is the answer? We should write it because it is very close. 7 7 is 9, then 4, 7 2 is 14, 14 plus 4 equal to 18. So what is our answer? Not answer, we are just finding it because it is very close. That's why I am writing it here. And after that 7 8. Okay, let's multiply with 8. 8 is the 64, 4, 6, 8 2 is the 16, 16 plus 6 equal to what? If 8 2 is the 16 and 16 plus here comes the 6. Okay. So the answer is to the 16, 16 plus 6. So 22. Hey, it's look 21 and it is 216 and it is 224. So yeah, that's why I was like it is bigger than this. So this one is bigger. So we can take it. So we can take the 7. So we have to take 7. We can take the 8. Okay, 7. The answer was 189. So 7. Here also 7. We have to put here also 7. So 189. Okay. Then 189. What is the subtraction of that? That is 27. Okay. After that, look 27. So 27. Now let's see. Okay. So here comes 27. After that, we have to write the pair one, that is 84. 84. And we have to double up the 17. That means what? 17 into 2. That means 4, 14, 1, 2 ones 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 34. So, as the double of 17 is 34, so we will write 34. After that, in the book, we have to again put a number here and here. So, put a number here so that this one can be a square root. Then 34 into what? What can I do? 5. Let's put 5. After this, 5 5s are 25. 5, 2. So 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 2 equal to 22. 2 again 2. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2 equal to 17. So 1725. No. We want a bigger one. Then 34. Let's put 8. 34 or 7. Let's try with 7. 7. Okay. 7 7 is 49. 4. Then 7 4 is 28. 28 plus 4 equals to 32. So 2 and 3. 7 3 is 21. 21 plus 3, 24. 2429. 24, very close. So we can write it here because it is very close. Then C with 248. 248 into 8. 8 is a 64, 4, 6. 4 is a 32. 32 plus 6 is 38, and here will be 3. Then 8 to the 16. 16 plus 3 is 1984. So I think, we have done it in not 24, not it is 348. Okay, let's do it again. So 8 is a 64, 6, 8 4 is a 32. 32 plus 6 is 38. So 3. Then 8 3 is a 8 3 is a 24. 24 plus 3 equal to 27. 2784. Hey, it has matched. 2784 and 2784. So we can put 8 and 8. So 2784. That is our answer. So I hope you have understand that how to do or how to find a square root by in two process. So first one is prime factorization and second one is division method. So please try it at your home so that you can learn very fastly. And yeah, these things are very important for class 7, and we have learned that in the process of prime factorization, if there are pairs, then it is a perfect square number, and if there is no pairs, then or if a number has no pairs, then it is not a perfect square number. And in the process of division, you can see that first 1 1 1, yeah, there will be double of it, then a number here and here, a number that will be put on here will be multiplied by 7 so that it can matchable or less than this. We like the division format, dividing anything. Then again, so no, the double of 27 will not put here, the double of 17 will be here. Then again that process, so it will continue by this process. If the number is bigger, then it will continue by this process. So if I ask you what is the answer will be 178. That means what? We can write 31684. Square root of this is 178. That means 178 into 178, like this. Okay. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed the video and learned many things from the video. If you have, then please put a like and share it. And if you have any question about this video, or you want a video on any chapters of class 7 or any class, then you can write it on the comment section. So let's finish here. So friends, Allah Hafiz and pray for me.